Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. Well, I guess today is the day. So I got something back and I wanted to show it to y'all. So this probably won't be too long of a video, but I just wanted to show y'all something. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Alright folks, as you can see, I got my bird back. Finally. I think I delivered that. I don't know when the video came out, I don't remember. But I dropped it off sometime early August of last year. Guy called me earlier this week. Went and picked it up. Luckily I missed the rain because we've been getting some weather around here, you know, tornadoes, flooding, storms. But other than that, I lucked out. My yard was dry enough that my pickup did not bury itself in the yard, and I was able to get this down in. I mean, worst case scenario, this is light enough I could have just rolled it by itself down in there, but it is in the shop. So let me grab the camera and kind of walk around and show you what I got here. Alright, so I have my lovely Firebird emblems on here, my little grill inserts on my front fender. Ooh, there's something cool up here. So I know you, let's see, try and get it in the good light. Maybe we'll have to go the other side. I know the Pontiac purists don't necessarily agree with my engine choice, but we figured out how to get a lovely 472 on the hood. Engine's right over there. Same thing, nice fender emblem, little grills. Moving on. Now it is a little dirty. I got to clean it up some. Got my rear spoiler. Got a 2x4 in there right now because I'm waiting on my new latch, and I got to set my springs, and then the other part gets kind of close to the rear quarters here, so once I get the rear or the trunk seal in there, that should lift it up a little. Got my little emblem back here. All right, moving to the inside of the car. My dash, although it's dirty, it is painted. You can see my lovely hood tack, dirty as well. Everything's kind of dirty. But he did black out the inside of the car as well. So we'll be cleaning this all up, doing what we can. Get rid of some of the mud and dirt and crud. You know, whatever we gotta do. Get this thing pretty. All right. Now you might notice I'm missing a little grill insert here and here. He's still got them at his shop. I should be getting them hopefully within a week so I can install those. Those are getting blacked out as well. And underneath the hood, of course, is dirty, but that's fine. We'll get it cleaned up. As most of you remember, I did the inner fenders and the firewall and everything. But yeah, the rest of it, he blacked out all of this. Everything is looking good. All right, folks. Well, there you have it. One pretty black Firebird. Let's see, what's next? Well, I keep getting asked by folks, you know, what's next on the list to do? And I keep telling them everything. Because, well, almost everything is needing to be done. But on a serious note, the next thing I think I'm going to do, I have to pull the hood off, and try and shimmy that engine and transmission in here. And then depending on when my trunk seal gets here, my trunk latch, mess with those, get that all good to go. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. But that's all I got for you tonight. I just wanted to show you all the good news that the Firebird is back in the garage, and we'll leave it at that. We'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.